I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and share a guide in the Maps app of your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Maps app. Now, once we're here, we're going to search a place, and I'm just going to pick Memorial Park right here. Then we'll tap More, then we will tap Add to Guides, and we'll click New Guide. Now, in this guide, you're going to name it whatever you'd like, which we'll just say New Guide. In this guide shows Memorial Park. This guide could be places to go in Orange County. And now we'll click Create. And now to add to this guide of all these places to go, let's say I want to go to this next location right here. Then we'll click More, we'll click Add to Guides, and then we'll click to add it to that new guide as well. And all of those places that you save will be in a guide. Now that we have a guide, we're going to want to be able to share that with someone. So we'll go back to our main menu page, and we'll in our library, if we scroll down here, you can see 7 places, 1 guide. We'll tap there, and then we're going to click on Guides, and you can see our new guide. We'll tap that to open this guide. And now once we have this guide open, we'll swipe up, and now you can see the share button on the very bottom. We'll tap that, click Share Guide. Now you can send it in a message or in an email or however you would like to a person that you'd like to share this guide to. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.